if I go to my tunes, my iTunes, click on there, you will see Mercedes Benz Bluetooth. Now if I then go to, if I click the selector forward, go over to media, click on media, that's it, it's playing. I can't play the soundtrack because YouTube will knock it off or give me a black mark for doing so, but if for any reason it's not playing, or you see there the red triangle with the 3 red circles, if you click on that, just make sure Mercedes Benz Bluetooth is selected there. And then also we'll just click back there, up to media, click on media, and you see there, if there's no sound playing, you have to go back. I'll just take it back. You see media at the top there with a little arrow at the right hand side, which means there's other bits of the menu. You've also got devices here, options, Bluetooth audio devices, so you can play. If there's somebody else in the car with better music than you can just go down to their phone and get their audio to play through the system. Just go back. So there you've got devices, no name, no memory card inserted, and my phone. So if I do that, that's on something else. So again, if it's not playing for any reason, oops, sorry, hopefully Bluetooth, hopefully YouTube won't knock me off for that. So again, in order to get your phone selected, you'll see here Mercedes Benz Bluetooth. I'll just click on there, but it's on memory card on the center, so we knock the selector forward onto media, click media, and then just turn until we get to Bluetooth audio, and that's it playing. As I say, it may still not play, so if you click downwards back towards you and go to devices, you can select which phone, my phone there, or you go to down again, click down, you go to options, Bluetooth audio paused, audio again, Bluetooth audio devices, and then you can select which phone. So my phone there, and just go back. Sorry, it's a bit of overkill this, but until you get the hang of it, sometimes it's quite tricky. So we'll select another phone there. So it's not mine off. It's just looking for John's phone. John in here at the moment, so it'll never find him. And we'll cancel that. But now again, if I go back there, it's on another phone. So down, options, Bluetooth audio devices, and we'll select my phone. There you go, it's come up and my phone will play through the system. Bit long-winded, but hopefully that will have covered all your options.